did a vlog. I told myself that I have to just push myself to actually make a vlog on this trip. So my cousin and I rented this Airbnb for the days that will be.
This is my crib here. Nice. Liam, he's happy. He's running up and down. Nice stove. This bathroom, like top and not number 2. Cute. This is like a whole. This is Tiffany's bathroom. I have a towel so she can bath Liam, and it's a little. Could talk through this too. And then
I was actually in Paris for a few days, but we've come to Toronto now to just chill out and relax. You know, I'm just so happy. My cousin came all the way from the States, and it's so amazing to actually have, you know, family fly all the way to just spend summer with you. The boy is trying to sleep, he's tired. Papa, you tired? Should we go inside? Snowflakes. You're tired? My cousin Kim, she's trying to pack, so when she gets to parking space, I'll introduce her properly. But today is our day 1 of our fun activity. I think this is Ripple's, what's it called?
Ripley's Aquarium.
Ripley's Aquarium. Then after that we're going to go to the CNT Tower, right? The CNT Tower, is it like
It's that like needle thing.
So we're gonna go, oh okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Someone that is scared of heights, me. What I was taking myself up for. Anyways, baby boy is in the back. He's sleeping. Oh, he's awake. Hi, Papa. Hi, darling. Hey, my baby. He's a little bit under the weather. Guys, we got the worst flu ever. When we got into Canada, I think on the 28th, I arrived Canada on the 28th. On the 29th, I started, I came down with like a sore throat, which later on led to like the worst cough of my life. Then it slowly graduated into a cold. I started sneezing and oh sorry, my brows are just all over the place. Anyways, it's graduated into like the craziest flu ever. I'm just getting myself back together in a way, but I'm not coughing as much as yesterday. I'm not sneezing as much. Thankfully, my cousin came through with some meds. Thankfully, prescribed meds that have been able to help me. But my baby was really sick last night. Like he had like the worst fever outbreak. He was so hot in the middle of the night and I was so worried. But thank God, oh God is so merciful. I applied first aid, gave him some paracetamol to reduce the fever. So anyways, we don't want to allow that spoil our summer activity. So yes, we're here to have some fun, and yeah, so let me introduce Kim properly.
Hey guys, my name is Kim. I am Tiffany's cousin from the United States. And yeah, we're in Canada.
Yeah, right. Toronto, Canada. So anyways guys, let's go have some fun. Stay tuned.
All the pastors and stuff had been praying for him. Like they had a whole, they were praying for him.
Yeah, just finished packing. Sun is out. It's actually so hot. Gosh. So what do you think about driving in Canada?
It's way worse than DC is. Like they don't trafficate.
Yeah, they don't trafficate. Like I was shocked because I mean in Ghana we're always shouting on drivers, but this one, like if your eyes are not opened,
you're gonna get hit.
You're gonna get hit. You're gonna hit somebody. And we're not about to do that. So that was like such a culture shock that Canadians don't trafficate. Or maybe that's just in Toronto, because I think a friend of mine was telling me one time that in Toronto they drive crazy. So I think that might just be in Toronto. I can't wait. have to take photos. Definitely. It's so cool. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna take all that yellow surfboard, guys.
Alright. Of course. Oh, Papa. Papa, see the sharks. Are those sharks?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Papa, come, let's go see. Liam is not having it. He's not really in the mood. Liam is happy. I am happy. Hi, Papa. So cool. That's a shark. Oh my gosh. Oh my guys, we're hungry, so we're just gonna get something to eat over here. Looking at all these sharks have made me so hungry. It's so colorful.
For a day. I'm not there. I'm comparing this to water people. We're not good like that. I'm comparing it to when I went to Chicago and I saw like real dolphins. They were like just in the water, like the water up there. Like we saw dolphins and they were like show. I think like the show was really nice.
Guys, I don't know why I feel like those sharks are fake. I don't know why. But my cousin says that they're actually real, so they're just that. I don't know. Because maybe I've watched a lot of movies. Oh my, come back. Come in. I think I've watched too many shark movies, so I don't think that sharks would actually just maintain their pools like that, because I mean, have you seen the Blue Sea? Have you seen Jaws? You know, look, I was like waiting for like that thing to break and like everyone start like running and saying, oh my god, oh my god. It's you know, that kind of horror movie scene, but thank God that didn't happen. I don't know, because I'm just used to sharks attacking, but I guess they're trained sharks, so that's fine. Anyways, we just stopped to get a bite, having a cookie. We're actually getting chicken strips, but it's not ready yet, so that's fine. I'm actually happy. Okay guys, so it is 5:45. I think we got here around 2:30, yes, and we're done. But the most amazing thing happened. God just showed himself.
First of all, the parking first.
Yeah, the parking, but yeah. So first of all, when we got here, the security was like parking was $45 an hour, right? Because they're having some
for the whole day.
yeah, they're having some game or activity, blah blah blah. And we're like, oh okay, we don't have. So my cousin was like, can we pay 30? And he was like, no, it's 45, you know. Then he was like, okay, you pay 30, but he'll write 45 on the receipt. He was looking, I was like, this guy is like a bit sketchy. So luckily my cousin held out like $20 and I was giving her coins. And the guy comes and he's quickly like, don't worry, give me what you have. And my cousin's like, and I just like, oh, take, this is all you have. And we ended up being like,
I'm not counting all those coins.
yeah, he's not counting all those coins, like exactly. Like, so we gave him like $24. Then we came to the Ripley's aquarium. She told him a story from here.
Oh yeah. Okay, so Ripley's was fun and all. It was just like very packed with so many families, so many kids, and I'm very much like a don't touch me and move out the way. So it was just like very packed, but it was nice. But yeah, so then now we had like a combo for like Ripley's and
Sorry, baby.
yeah, we had a combo for Ripley's and the CN Tower. And like, so when we go to the CN Tower, they're just like, oh, you actually need a reservation to go. And it's literally just a building that's really high up, like nothing special, whatever. And he said, oh, 6:15 p.m. And I was like, we're not trying to wait here another hour to go up an elevator. Like,
exactly.
no. So then at that point he was like, oh, you can go to Ripley's to go get a refund. Cool. So I go to Ripley's and I'm waiting, get to the lady, and I tell her the situation. I was just like, yeah, so like I'm here with my cousin, like we're probably never gonna come back here again, but we didn't have time to go to the CN Tower, but we came to Ripley's already, but can we get a refund on like the half ticket, you know?
Yeah.
And she's like, okay, does it. And then next thing you know, I see that the refund is for the whole thing, the full thing. And I was just like,
it's like we came here for free.
so we got here for free. Like, you know, I love things for free. Like,
yeah.
It's more fun when it was for free. So, you know, I loved all the people bumping into me because it was for free. Like, so yeah, we got the money back.
And we're on our way home, so we're happy. So yeah, that is the end of our Canada vlog day 1. And yeah, so we're going to Walmart now to just get something and head back home. I'm so tired. Bye. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Liam, say bye. Meanwhile, Liam slept the whole experience. Basically,
he was up for like 20 minutes and then
he was gone. Yeah, it was the main reason why we came. But anyways, we had so much fun. It was nice seeing the sharks and the fishes and everything. Anyways, guys, bye.